What's up, everyone? Galactic Geek back with another unboxing and review. Today I've got Robin from Gotham Knights, which is an upcoming video game, and McFarlane Toys DC Multiverse. Here's a quick shot of the packaging there. Right out of the box, this guy is just super cool. Robin's one of my favorite characters, if not my favorite character in the Batman franchise, so this is definitely a must pick up for me. McFarlane has made a few Robins, but this is the only one that that I really felt like I needed, just because it has kind of that classic look with a more modern, updated style, which is super cool. He comes with this bow staff here, and it has little yellow circles at each end, which is actually a sweet little detail for his weapon there. And then, like all McFarlane toys, he comes with the player card here. Just has a little bit of info on the back. Robin Gotham Knights data file, pretty sweet. And then, of course, again, like most all McFarlane toys, they come with a little circle stand. This one's DC logo branded, obviously. And as far as the figure goes, like I said, this guy's just incredible. I mean, look at the detail on his face and hair and that mask alone. But then he also has like these sweet gauntlets on his arms here, different detailing and textures throughout his arm. His suit, he's got like 4 or 5 different textures throughout his whole suit and body, which is just super cool. And this jacket is so soft, so it actually is very pliable, and you can bend him around, get some really good motion, but it hides it, which is just incredibly cool. He has like a little cape thing, which is pretty cool, I guess. I'd like to have those little things be yellow to match in the front, but his hood and the rest of his outfit just look great. I really like the style. Again, kind of has a classic look to it with a nice updated modern feel. Super cool. I don't like how his eyes are looking one way, but and then these strings are they're okay. They just look a little plastic, and in general, his whole red coat is way too red. He has sweet articulation, though. He's got the butterfly joints in the shoulders, upper arm swivel, double jointed elbows, wrist swivel. He also, like I said, he has like the ab crunch there that you can't see, and he has got a lot of movement in his chest, but it's all hidden by his soft coat, which is just awesome. Got a ball joint on the head. It's great movement there. Get all kinds of... And then he has no upper thigh swivel, unfortunately, but he does have double jointed knees and the ball joint on the ankles, of course. And then he has some toe artic as well. So yeah, he definitely has some pretty good articulation in general, and the fact that a lot of it's hidden in his chest there is great. You get some pretty good poses out of this guy. He's probably my favorite McFarlane figure so far. He's just incredibly cool. If you collect McFarlane or Batman in general, this is a must pick up for this Robin figure. Like I said, McFarlane has multiple other Robins, and will probably come out with several more, but this one is a must have for me, and looking forward to playing as him in the video game. And as usual, thanks for watching, everyone.